Swastiastu. Namun Satketi Loke Bali. Melalui pola pembangunan semesta berencana menuju Bali era baru.
Good morning, class. We are enjoying our English class today. With me, Mrs. Nengah. Hello, can I help you? Well, class, today we are going to study about offering help. Have you ever found these conditions? What will you say if you find these conditions? Well, if we find these conditions, we will offering our help, right? So, do you know what are the expressions that we can use when we want to offer help to somebody? Well, students, there are some expressions that we can use to offer help. Well, students, the previous were the explanation, responses, and the example of offering help. For more understanding, let us watch the following video of the example offering help. Let's enjoy the video.
Are you okay, Tom?
No.
Is there anything I can do?
No.
Oh, what's wrong?
Everything.
I see. Can I give you a hand?
My computer has crashed. I've lost my phone and there's a big problem with my timetable. I've got 2 meetings scheduled at the same time with 2 extremely important clients. I can't do them both at once.
Let me help.
Thanks, Anna, but these are big clients. They need someone of experience.
Well, give me a shout if you need anything.
I can handle this, all right?
I can handle this. Ungrateful idiot. But you used all the right phrases, Anna. Well done. Anyway, I bet he'll change his mind.
Well, students, today we have learned about the expressions of offering help and their responses. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Bye-bye.